Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add whiteboards on your Zoom app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here, just click on it. So when you click on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you here which parts you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you find here or which parts here, or can you add it here if you want to create here new parts. Just in here can you create a new here which parts here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So then you just switch in here to finish with us here. In here can you create your whiteboards here in this list on your Zoom app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.